Doubling Friends. This is Quest Body Doubling with Tara Lewis-Smith, and I'm your host, Tara. So today we are on day 4 of spring cleaning on the Spectrum. So today what we're going to do is we're going through my pantry. I was going to do, I'm just going to do sections of my garage. I did some kind of prep work or whatever on this. So if you haven't downloaded the, there's already something. If you haven't downloaded the bingo sheet thing, we are on day 4. If you have, you can see that we're on day 4. And if you haven't, we're still on day 4. So if you want to download that, you can. And then make sure that you like, subscribe, and follow. So that way you can, that way you don't miss a single video. Because we're doing 30 days on the Spectrum of spring cleaning. So spring cleaning on the Spectrum for 30 days. So today is day 4. So welcome back. Thanks for being here. If you missed the other 3 videos, feel free to go back and watch them. They're kind of short this time just because I want to show you more about how to, you don't have to have a lot. You don't have to have 25 minutes. You can literally do it in 5. If you have 5 minutes, clean off 1 shelf. If you have an hour, you can do the whole entire thing. So, but I just want to show you that it can be done. So we're going to go for 15 minutes in this one. Also make sure, I have a little ledge thing here to put stuff, but in the last video, I think, or the second one. Okay, so I have my baskets of stuff. Okay, so you want one. I do have a trash bag somewhere, but you want one for trash. But if you know it's going to be actual trash, you can use a trash bag. So you want one for trash. You want one for stuff that you're going to keep, and then stuff that goes into another location. So I'm just going to stick these over here, so that way I can just toss them in. If you want to, you can, if you want to just take pause for a few minutes, go get your stuff. We will be right back. Welcome back. Do you have your baskets? Do you have trash bag baskets? And they can be they could be treasure chests, they could be baskets, they could be an Amazon box, whatever. Just a container that you can put stuff in, is basically. That's all we're looking for. Okay, so we are going to go for 15 minutes. All right, starting now. Okay. And then I'm basically the same things apply. I'm kind of short, but you definitely want to add. You want to do 1 shelf at a time. You really do. So that's what I'm going to do. And then that way you can see what you have. Just look at my Oh my gosh. I didn't think about bringing the step stool, but I think I might have. Okay, so this, I've had this forever. That is trash. Okay. We're going to do this stuff as well because I'm short. Because that one I can't see all the way up. I should have brought the step stool. Okay. And since we are doing spring cleaning, you're going to want, my broom is over there in a minute, but trash. But you definitely want to clean out, that's trash. You definitely want to clean out your pantry, because that's where stuff spills. That's, now you can see what my kids eat. They like to eat, stuff right there. Okay, and so in the membership, this is kind of a sneak preview for my membership. Oh my gosh, we have a ton of stuff. Forgot. Okay, does anybody else, this is completely different thing. But does anybody else have like stuff that like appears and stuff that like disappears? Like for us, it's always been coats and blankets, which I'm very thankful for. But sometimes, like literally a random blanket will show up out of nowhere. I have no idea where it came from. I don't know if a friend left it or whatever. And then coats as well. Like random coats will just show up in the closet. So, and then this is our favorite pumpkin spice from Trader Joe's. But I feel like every time I clean this pantry out, there's more. Like, and Trader Joe's only sells this during the fall season. And now we're in spring, and now we have way more. So it's great, don't get me wrong, but it's like, I don't know how that happened. So, okay, I'm gonna go run real quick and get, we got the 10 foot. I remembered this time, I remembered the basket. Sometimes I don't always remember the basket. So, but I'm gonna clear this out. Where are these? Okay, I'll be right back. We're still going for 15 minutes. Oh, here we go. We got Clorox wipes just right here. Okay. It's a new one, now I have to start it. Alright. So, and you basically, well, I was going to say with the membership, like, I don't know about you. Once again, it could just be me. But I generally forget a lot of stuff. So I have to have visual reminders at all costs, right? So I have like an inventory, like I have a journal of stuff, because if I don't clean out my pantry on a regular basis, I will 100% forget stuff there. Okay. And for whatever reason, it doesn't matter what time of year, I always have shit. Okay, garbage. Okay. And this is the garage pantry, so it gets used. It gets used a little bit more aggressively, I guess. Like we're not as cleanliness is the one in the thing, but you still got to do it every few months. So, and it sucks because I do have object blanks, which includes the pantry and the garage, but I don't come in here every day. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see. Oh, there's my dog. Okay, we got, oh shoot. Okay, I might have to pause this. Okay. One of my kids just came in. All right, we got 10 minutes. Okay, let me just finish this up real quick and then we will go. Okay, so you do want to put like light stuff together. Okay. Okay. gonna put the olives and the tomato paste together. Like that. All right. So sugar can go up here. Sorry, that was loud. Okay, we're definitely gonna put the Trader Joe's tea up here. So we have 1, 2, that's probably loud, 3, 4, yeah, I have 6. And I think there's one in my down. Okay, so there's definitely one in my cupboard in the kitchen. So there we go. All the way back. There we go. Okay. That way it looks a little bit better. I don't know, my dog's barking. She's got, one of my sons has a big dog, and so they're both open, so they're out in the yard. So I don't know exactly what they're doing. Okay. Olives. Okay. And then we have extra, all of that needs to go. Okay, this goes somewhere else. This goes in the, all right, so we have about 5.5 minutes left. Okay. Okay, so we can go on to the next one. Let's go somewhere else. Glass. Oh, okay. Baking. Oh my gosh, sorry, that was loud, sorry. Up here. Garbage. Okay. You know, you just want to make sure you check the expiration dates, sell-by dates. You know, and if you believe in those or whatever, wherever you fall on that spectrum, you can totally. Okay. I don't know what's going on with my dog. Okay. Hold on. Hold on, because that's a weird bar. I'm sorry. We got like 5 minutes left. Okay, now that I think about it, it might not be my dog. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh, that's a weird bark. Okay. Oh. No, now she's on the ground. Okay, we got 2.5 minutes left to go. So let's see what we can get done in that. I go somewhere else. Some stuff. Okay. Just gonna use this. Wide. Okay. Hit my head, just pull it back. Okay. All right, we got less than a minute, so finish up. That's why we only do like 1 or 2 shelves at a time, because if you're limited on time, you have stuff to do, you have to go drive a kid somewhere to something, just doing 1 shelf at a time, so that way you don't leave it in a mess and then just feel like the guilt and the shame. Of leaving the mess, and then you don't come back to it for like a couple days or whatever, so then it gets worse. So that's why I suggest, even doing the 25 minutes or whatever, and that way you can loop back. Like I talk about anchors and loops and stuff, but just circling back to that, or if you get it done. So that's 15 minutes. So hopefully you at least got 1 shelf done. So if not, you can come back and you can rewatch this one, or you can watch some of my other videos. So today was day 4 on the spectrum. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, because we are going to do 30 days of spring cleaning on the spectrum. So whatever you got done, you did an awesome, amazing job, and I hope you have the most awesome, amazing rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next video.